Hello and welcome back to the channel. I want you to take a listen as the main character of the film Get Out wasn't even invited to the film's premiere. Take a listen and I will be right back.
Daniel Kaluuya became a household name after his breakout film, Get Out. He recently revealed on The Graham Norton Show that he did not receive an invite to the premiere of his hit film at the Sundance Film Festival in 2017. The actor disclosed this during an interview on his new film, Judas and the Black Messiah and Black Panther 2. This comes some 4 years after Jordan Peele's critically acclaimed horror film was released, starring Kaluuya in the lead role. Kaluuya claims that although he was on the set of Black Panther at the time the film was set to be premiered, he cleared his schedule and still did not receive an invitation without any specific reason to date. This is the film which analysts say cemented his career as a leading man. "They didn't invite me, bro. They didn't invite me," Kaluuya said via video call during the Graham Norton Show. Graham, shocked, responded, "No, that can't be true," adding that somebody messed up by not inviting Kaluuya. He further elaborated on the occurrence which sent shockwaves to the other guests in the studio. "On the Sundance World premiere, I was in Atlanta because I was shooting Black Panther," he said. "I was chilling, I cleared my schedule. I was like, I really wanna do it. And then just didn't get the invite. I wasn't invited, so I was just in my bed. Someone texted me, 'It's done really well.'" When questioned by the other guests if he had followed up with the team to inquire about being snubbed for a film in which he plays the leading role, Kaluuya said he would rather not ask questions. "I don't ask questions. I'm just like, I get it, man. That's cool," he replied. "You don't want to be in a place that you don't feel wanted, you feel me?" On the sequel to the blockbuster film, Black Panther, he confirmed filming was underway and the script will certainly honor his late co-star, Chadwick Boseman. The Ryan Coogler-directed sequel will explore the world of Wakanda and the rich characters introduced in the first film. In an interview with Deadline, the president of Marvel Studios, Kevin Feige, reiterated that fact and elaborated further on the sequel's plot and what fans should expect. "So much of the comics and that first movie is the world of Wakanda," Feige said. "Wakanda is a place to further explore with characters and different subcultures. This was always and initially the primary focus of the next story."
As you can see, even if you are the star of a film, even if you're the star, there's just no respect for the so-called black man. When asked about this, he just simply said, "You know what, I'm not going to ask questions. I don't ask questions. I'm like, hey, I get it, man. That's cool." In other words, he didn't want to make a big deal out of it. He says, you don't want to be in a place that you just don't feel wanted. You feel me? That was his response to it. In other words, I'm not going to make a big to-do about this. Why should I? I done got paid for this thing, so hey, whatever. That was his attitude, whatever. And so even though he was snubbed, he got his paycheck. He didn't want to make a big to-do out of it because guess what? If he did, we all know that they would have said he was whining. That's just how it is if a black man or a woman speaks up for themselves in any way and says anything, people are going to say that they are whining. And so I'm glad he took the high road. He said, forget about this, It's all said and done. It's over with. I'm going on to the next big thing. So I want to ask you all, what do you think about him being snubbed about this? In the comment section, tell us your thoughts. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, share and like this video. With that, I'm out. Be sure to ring the bell to be notified of new uploads on this channel, and also comment, share, like, and subscribe.